Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can get reward by using an app made from Google. So without any furthermore delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to open a Play Store app. In the Play Store, you need to search for a Google Opinion Rewards. So as I have already installed this application, so I'm not going to install. So you install it. Once the installation is done, click open. As you can see the user interface of this Google Opinion Rewards. Here how you can earn rewards is that you can see a new survey available. So you need to participate on this service to get the Play Store rewards in the form of Google Play balance. As you can see my Google Play balance which I have received by answering those surveys. And remember, while you are answering those surveys, please read the surveys properly and take the surveys in the proper manner. Just don't tap it for getting some money. So as you can see, after completing my survey, I have get or received rupees 6.24 pies Google Play credits. So in this way you can earn from time to time when the surveys are available for you. So using this Google Play balance, you can purchase lots of applications or any musics. Say if suppose I want to purchase some paid apps, say VPN paid. So here you can see the price of the various applications. So I have right now is only 24 rupees on the Google Play balance. So you can see this application is priced at rupees 10. So let us try to purchase it using the Google Play balance. So you can see below in the Google Play balance is 24.20 and below you can see a one tap buy. So you can purchase it directly using your Google Play balance, but right now I'm not going to download. This is just I'm showing an example for you how to use those balances. So in my opinion, you should definitely try those Google Opinion Reward applications. And remember, this application may not be available in all countries, but if you're living in India, US, this application is available for some countries. So if you're living on those countries, then you should definitely try. And if you're living in India and US, then definitely you can check that out and try it yourself. As like before, if you like this information useful, click on the thumbs like button and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.